Welcome to the Mythical Forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and today I'm going to plant onion seeds. And these onion seeds are from a company called Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds. And the seeds, the website is called rareseeds.com, rareseeds.com. And I'm going to do something different. I'm going to be lazy today, and I'm just going to pour the seeds on top and cover them just slightly, but I'm not going to label them. So we've got an Texas Early Grano. We have a, oh, that's tomato. We have a Globo. We have a Aliasa Craig. And we have a Yellow Sweet Spanish. And I'm just going to plant them all together. I don't care. I'm not going to label them this year. I'm just going to put the word onion in it. And this one, they give you a free seed usually. So this one came as free. And that one is, I don't know, Yellow of Parma. So I'm going to...
From the mountains of Parma.
Yeah, wherever that is. I don't know. So I'm just going to sprinkle. I have already put the soil in, and I already wet it completely. And I'm just going to sprinkle them on top and then just slightly put some soil on top of that. And this is just going to be kind of a hodgepodge mess. So whatever comes up, then I'm going to take these little sprouts and then I'm going to put them into the main pots that they go in once they get about 1 inch or 2 tall. So you guys follow me, and we'll be back when these get up a little taller. Like I said, I'm just going to cover this with a little dirt.
This one?
Yeah, I'm going to do that one too. I just wanted to show them how I'm sprinkling it.
All right.
And we'll see you soon with everybody. Now we're going to harvest one of those onions that we planted. There's a whole bunch of other ones that are not quite ready. I mean, this one, you look how small it is. Can you see?
Little bitty.
It's not ready.
Onion.
But look at this one, you guys.
Whoa.
Look. It's humongous. So let's harvest it today.
Well, I'm going to hold this here.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Hit it, Mama. Oh, wow. That's
Listen
like
to this. Listen. Sounds like a watermelon.
solid.
You hear the water
nice
inside?
And juicy, yeah.
Look at that. And then look.
Ugh.
Look how much water.
If we were to freeze dry that.
Listen.
Oh my God, you never go thirsty.
Yeah. Water.
Onion water, onion, you'd be smelly,
So
but
anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that if I waited too long, it's gonna go bad. You see, it's starting
yeah.
to. So you got to keep an eye on these things. I got to dry this out so I can leave it for, you know, a long time. If we don't eat it today, we won't eat it today. So let's go over here real quick and show them these other onions. They're not really doing
like that one.
So you see,
We gotta keep
but
an eye on these.
we did have a squirrel or something going in here and
make
digging
sure
up.
they don't.
Because I planted, there were some potatoes in this too.
We need to make sure that one doesn't get rotten.
Yeah.
Or these other ones too,
So
because
here,
I love me some onions.
Still going with the sweet potatoes mix. And what I've been doing is when I go to flour like this, I just pop the flour off.
Yes, because
I don't want it to go to flour.
yes, that means
so,
that tells the plant, hey, we're done here.
Yeah. Yeah. So look, I took all these flowers off today.
Oh yeah, those bulbs.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I didn't want it going to flour. That's the flour. They're about to bulb.
Yeah,
So.
that's what happens with the. Yeah.
And, so anyway, there's just a few more over there and here, but I just wanted to show you this one. All right.
Thank you.
See you soon. You guys, look at the size of these onions I'm about to harvest.
Oh my God.
Look at this one. My hands are filthy. But look.
Oh my.
Look how big these are. Look. There's a moringa. Look right here.
I gotta
Look at this.
Under here.
Look at
That
this.
one.
You ready?
Oh my God, those are huge.
That one's not too big, but let's get this one. Look at this one. You
Size of
ready?
those things.
You ready?
Wow, look at that.
Look.
Oh my God.
Look at this one. This is an okra from last year. I want to plant some new okra, so I'm tempted to pull this out. I think I might. But let's pull this one out. You ready?
Yeah, go. Hit it, Mama. Oh, wow.
Okay. That was just okra he was chewing on. I was worried about
Wow,
that.
hold those things up. Oh, wow. And you can make soup with like the leeks, with the, what is that called? The tails? Oh, that's great. That's going to make a great, hold on, let me take a couple. Whoa.
You almost broke your neck.
I almost did. Okay. So, wow. Those are big.
Here, let me take a picture of you.
I'm still recording.
Oh.
Now you know what the cameraman looks like. He had like blue gym shorts from like junior high school.
Okay, I'm going to take a picture also. I'm going to end this and we'll continue later.